Curating, designing, and bringing together a space, information, and a way to communicate something through people that doesn't necessarily require word or language. And it does so in a way that can really capture not just the mind, but also ideally the body, and it creates an emotional response. And through that emotional response, you can take people on a journey.
For me, it's interesting, actually, interpretation part, how the objects are put together and how the storytelling is told. Because I'm looking a little bit maybe from audience point of view, what kind of motivations the particular set is targeting, and of course the design innovation, the relationship between the physical and digital, putting everything together. I think I'm the most interested in interpretation of the particular set.
I think it is very effective because it's a setting for the stage and it works perfectly with the lighting. It's telling a story about the lotus flowers.
It tells kind of traditional Japanese design story in a kind of traditional way, so there is not too much digitalization. I think it's a nice project and it's minimalistic.
I think the simplicity in this is just so evocative and powerful. Almost the ethereal nature of it really takes to an entire new journey where I just want to start imagining all new eventualities, because I have so many questions around it, which really pulls me into the work. The way all the different lights fall and move, it really plays into all the different human senses, just really understanding what it is to connect object and material with space and with human engagement and the scale of people and the scale of space, and really seeing the relationship between all of those different elements. And I think that is the true power of design and of storytelling through space and through design.